In this blog, we explore how traditional industries can successfully modernize by embracing technology. The article highlights the importance of aligning digital transformation with business goals, ensuring that investments in new technology drive real value. Organizations are encouraged to set clear, measurable objectives and prioritize initiatives based on strategic importance and ROI. The blog emphasizes how financial operations, particularly accounts payable or AP, can benefit from automation and AI-driven advancements, and how the opportunity is even greater in industries like manufacturing, food and beverage, transportation, distribution, and logistics. AP automation streamlines invoice processing, reduces errors, and eliminates manual inefficiencies, allowing finance teams to focus on more strategic tasks. Machine learning enhances fraud detection and compliance, while real-time analytics provide deeper financial insights for better decision-making. These innovations not only improve operational efficiency, but also strengthen financial control and cash flow management. However, digital transformation is not without challenges. The article emphasizes the need for strong change management, workforce training, and a culture of innovation to ensure successful adoption. Companies must balance technological advancements with employee engagement and skill development. Ultimately, the blog underscores that modernization is not just about technology. It's about strategic implementation, adaptability, and fostering a forward-thinking business culture. Traditional industries that embrace these principles can unlock long-term growth and efficiency in an increasingly digital world.